Okay, this is pretty much just a sound test. Somebody wanted to know what the bike sounded like when it started up and that little bit of knocking noise that I'm hearing, so I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. This is inside, so I might be a little intense. So noticeable right now. When I drop the choke down some. And now you can hear it. So that's it. It's not that bad. It sounds a hell of a lot worse when the bike goes into low RPMs. Right there it was idling right around 2,000, and at 2,000 RPMs with the carbs not being synced the way they are right now, I gotta have it up that high in order to keep it running. But when it drops down that low, it gets around 1,000 RPMs. It's a loud tap tap tap. And it proceeds to shake the bike a little bit. So that's what I'm dealing with. I really don't want to duplicate it.